Hi everyone, I'm back. Welcome back. I have my Adorn It ambassador package in front of me. I've just opened it, so I want to share with you what was in the package and what you can look forward to receiving or being able to purchase in the next couple of weeks. Okay. So last month we received the No Peak Beef stamp. If you're part of the stamp club, you have already received yours, hopefully. I believe they're going to make this available a la carte in the stamp drop on Tuesday. That would be Tuesday, August 22nd, I believe. So look out for that. So there's this stamp set, the 4x6, and then this one as a 4x6 as well, which was the add-on if you didn't subscribe to that kit. And then this is the additional stamp that's available as well, or will be available on the Tuesday stamp drop. So this is the first look, or not the first look, maybe. I think Georgiana gave a sneak peek of this in last week's live video. So if you watch those, they do a lot of sneak peeks for stuff. So this one has a nice, I love this image. I remember Diana showing this when she was doing sneak peeks. This milk bottle crate. It's got the daisies in here. There's a heart here of daisies. And then you've got this wreath and a nice little daisy wreath here too. Not wreath, but a bottle with daisies in it. So that's really fun. And then you have Whoopsie Daisy, Oops-a-Daisy. Which one is right? I don't know. If friends were flowers, I'd pick you. And then you've got a string of flowers here as a border. Let me just give you a measurement on the wreath. It's about 3 3/4. And then this one, the heart is about 3.5 maybe. And then the milk bottle crate is about 2.5 by almost 3, or it is 3. Yeah, 2.5 by 3. That's a nice image. I love that. So this goes with the No Peak Beef release. So I believe these stamps will be dropped on the 22nd, which is a Tuesday, and that's usually the date that they do their drops. All right, what's under here? This is the new stamp for, what are we in? August? I don't know if this is August or what, but this is the next one in the recipe stamp club. Okay. So this is Tea Party Cakes recipe stamp, and it's a 4x6. Let me move it down a little bit here. I've got my phone in a different position, so hopefully this is working okay. There's a teapot with the recipe, and then you've got this little sort of sitting on a table, I guess. And she's got other flavors you can use. And then there's a border of hearts here, a little steamy with hearts, and then the word Tea Party there. So this is the 4x6 recipe stamp for the Stamp Club. If you are subscribed, you will have received or will be receiving this stamp. Now, if you're part of the add-on, I don't know which one is the add-on because I got 2 in my package that are also 4x6. One of these is going to be the add-on. I don't know which one it is, though, because they don't always tell us so. So we've got 2 sets here. This one has a little mug, a stack of mugs on a tea saucer with a little bird. 2 mugs right here. Oh, my wheels are turning. Little cluster of flowers, a little border of flowers, another little cluster, and some individual flowers and some dots. Okay, so there's that one. This one is probably upside down. Well, not upside down, but you've got a mug here. This one's open, so there's nothing in it. It's larger than the one on this set, but this one is open, so you can actually put stuff into the mug if you want. So you've got this tea mug, a large tea bag, which will be fun, and then you've got a bunch of different sentiments. You're my cup of tea, cup of positivity. Come on, spill the tea. Ooh, that's a good one. You're terrific. Always time for tea. All these sentiments fit in the tea bag. Oh, I don't know if they were meant to make that a what do you call it? A stamp. But all the sentiments fit in the tea bag. So those are the two 4x6 stamps, and one of these is going to be the add-on stamp. I don't know which one it is though. So I hope it's this one because that one I like the best between those two. Okay, I got a third stamp. And this one is the 6x8, which is probably going to be part of a stamp drop at a future time. Probably not tomorrow, the 22nd of August, but probably for a later one. Maybe they'll do them together. Who knows? So we have another teapot, a different style, with a bird sitting on it. And then we have a big mug with an invite type of on it. Now, I know you guys are probably like, well, I probably would never do that. Well, don't ink up this part, or put tape over it while you're inking it. Then remove the tape so you don't have any ink on those portions of the stamp. And you'll have a very big mug. That's how you do it. There's some steam, some flowers, and another bird here. A woman is like a tea bag. You can't tell how strong she is until you put her in hot water. Eleanor Roosevelt. So that's a very large tea bag there. You are strong enough even if you don't feel like it. And this is another mug with a tea bag hanging off of it. Okay, and a little heart right down here. So this is a 6x8 set. It's probably better if I turn it to the side so you can see the whole thing. But that is probably going to be in a stamp drop. Okay. All right, now for the papers. So if you are part of the club and subscribe to the papers, this is what's in the paper pack. So I did not turn each one of them over. Ooh, cute. Little tea mugs. Or mugs, actually. You could use them for coffee, too. The stripe, which is the opposite end, or opposite side. And so the polka dot, and you got the flowers. And then you got this purple distress. It's like a burlap with some toss pattern of tea. Ooh, I like that. The purple. And then you have this green paper, which has the, I guess they call it the ticker tape. So it's all the different patterns together in one sheet. So yeah, if you are subscribed to the paper add-on, you'll receive this as part of your shipment. But this will be available later on if you want extra packs, or you want to purchase them a la carte when they usually do the stamp drop. So that is it for now. I hope you enjoyed that peek at the stamps that are arriving. These will be available through Adorn It. I will put the website in the description box below. Just keep an eye out on their Facebook group. I say that all the time. That's the best place to learn when they're going to drop stamps, because they will put the notice in there typically. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.